how to install the sensor pad of your Angelcare movement monitor. It is important that the nursery unit is set up at a distance of at least 36 inches or 1 meter away from the crib. Inside the box, you will find a sensor pad with pre-installed cord covers. Use the crib leg by the wall closest to the nursery unit. In cases where the nursery unit is across the room, use the leg closest to the nursery unit to position the covered wire. It is always preferable that the covered cord run along a wall. Remove the mattress from the crib. Place the sensor pad, printed side up, on top of the hardboard at the center of the crib. Run the connection pin, warning label, and the first 5 cord covers down along the back side of the crib leg, between the mattress support and the inside edge of the crib. Bring the first 4 cord covers down the floor and keep the 5th cord cover vertical along the back side of the crib leg. Place a 6th cord cover approximately 3 inches or 8 centimeters from the edge of the mattress support. Snap together the remaining cord covers that run along the floor. Remove any cord slack to make sure no parts of the cord are loose. Peel off the double-sided tape on the 4th cord cover and place it securely under the crib leg. You have almost completed your setup. Install the nursery unit on a flat, stable surface facing the crib at a distance of at least 36 inches or 1 meter away. Check to make sure the sensor pad has not moved from its position. Place the mattress back inside the crib. If using 2 sensor pads, you should place them as recommended in your manual and follow the same steps in order to install the cord covers. You should now refer to your manual for testing and getting to know your monitor.